and I'm coming straight to you from my 1865 haunted mansion. It's called Orr Manor, and we just bought it in May and we're restoring it. But however, I'm going to do an unboxing of one of the cheapest things that you can buy from Chanel. So it just arrived today, and I already took off the little pull tab, but this is the Chanel box that it came wrapped in. And this is the box that has my item in it. And here's my little receipt envelope. And it's got the, if I wanted to send it back, it's got the receipt. And I guess yesterday I did an unboxing of my Chanel cotton pads, and I assumed that it was free because it says on the receipt that there's no dollars. I don't know if you can see that. I can't tell. Right here it shows that everything didn't cost anything. I guess that's what they do on all of them. So I looked at my credit card statement and it was charged. But anyway, this is what I got, and I'm going to show you. This is the packaging, and let's see, this is a little note card that has the little Chanel card in it that says, wishing you a joyous holiday season and sparkling new year, Chanel. And I have a blank gift card, or not gift card, but a blank note card. And now let's get to seeing what I got on Chanel for under $40. So there's a lot of white stuff in it, and my thing fell out. But anyway, let me reach in there and get out my samples too. There's two. I didn't even undo the tissue paper because my item actually fell out of the tissue, so. And here's a little gift pouch that the samples come in. And it's a good quality gift cap. It's cool that you get it for free. But I got a mascara as a free sample. It comes in this. And I got, let's see, it looks like, I don't know, Sublimage La Creme. And it looks like it's some type of face cream. Right. So I'm gonna put that in my little gift pouch, close it up. And this is what I got. And it's so cool, for less than $40. I was looking for a one of these, and I thought, you know what, I'm gonna splurge and I'm gonna get one. I don't care if it's about $40 or not. I deserve it. There's a little Chanel logo on it, and it comes in a velvet pouch. And I got the little mirror. It's a little compact mirror that I can carry in my purse. And there's two mirrors on each side. One mirror is like very, very close up. I can see every wrinkle on my face. And then the other one's just a regular mirror. So this mirror is like an enhanced mirror, and this one's a regular mirror. And you can probably see it snowing behind me. I'm in Jonesville. We're having a winter storm right now, so it's pretty cool. Jonesville, Virginia. I don't know if I've said Virginia. But anyway, that's what you can get on Chanel for less than $40. And if you subscribe to my channel, once I get 1,000 subscribers, I am going to gift somebody something from either Chanel, Louis Vuitton, Tiffany & Company, Gucci, Burberry, Hermes. One of my subscribers will receive a little treat from one of those designers. So I also offer other videos of me restoring the home, and other unboxing videos, advent calendar unboxings, all kinds of good stuff. So stay tuned, and I'm going to try to be putting videos out like every other day, maybe once a week, something like that, but it's going to be pretty steady. So thank you. Have a good day.